everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making porridge. The yam I bought is almost, the yam wanted to get spoiled, or not even, so I need to use it immediately. I bought a carton of yam and I kept it during Christmas. I said, my daughter said she wants to eat yam this afternoon. I decided to go and boil the yam. When I got there, almost everything has already spoiled. So I just have to use it, for porridge. So what you see me doing, I'm just trying to dice my yam into cubes. So I'm going to be making porridge. So guys, this is the yam. So I'm going to be adding salt into it. Then the next thing I'm going to be adding is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to be adding my onions into it. Remember, we are making porridge, yam porridge. So I'm going to be adding some crayfish into it. It's optional. Then I'm going to be using my dry prawns and the mala, which is stockfish. I'm also going to be adding it. I'm also going to be adding my gnocchi. Oh, this one is very hard, so I'm going to just place it in there. Place one, then I'm going to look for something to match the other one. So the next one I'm going to be adding is my red palm oil. You guys know the weather is very cold now, so my oil I don't want to add much because when it gets made, it's going to loosen up. So if there is any need of adding, I can also add later. So the next one I'm going to be adding is just pour some hot water. You can use ordinary water, it depends on you. So make sure the water covers everything, okay, like so. So I'm going to take it directly to my gas. Our yam porridge is ready. So on this junction, I'm just going to bring down my gas, then take my yam masher, my potatoes masher. So I'm just going to munch it. That's the way you see me doing it. I'm going to munch it. So that is why it is called yam porridge. Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to be adding, so if you have your fresh ugu leaf or scent leaf, you can add. So but I don't have the fresh one. So I'm going to be sprinkle, it's optional. Sprinkle a little bit of my ugu leaf in there. It's optional. So fresh one is better, but since I don't have the fresh one, just have to, you know, put the dried one. Yeah, our yam porridge is ready. So if you know you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much. And if you know you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Feel free to subscribe to our channel, like, and also follow. See you guys on my next video. Bye.